So now I'm going to explain you how you can rectify this specific error message that you get when you're not able to launch Adobe Photoshop Elements or Adobe Lightroom CC or Adobe Lightroom Classic. I have mentioned a link in the details below of this video. You can click the link and it is going to open this specific KB article that is going to explain you each and everything that we have to resolve this issue. You can either read this complete KB article or you can watch the complete video in which I am following the same steps. So let's get started. When you will scroll down this page from top to bottom, you will see there is a download button. You have to click the get file option over there. It will download a zip file. You have to give a location where you can save this file because later on we are going to unzip it. So the zip file has been downloaded successfully. Now let's see what's inside it. You can see there are two files inside it, both are DLL files. We have to extract these files from this zip file. You can use any extractor tool software to do this task. You can download the extractor tools from the links given below in the description if you don't have any zip file extractor tool in your machine. After extracting the two zip files, copy both of them and browse the location I am showing. You can also check the location I am browsing. It is mentioned in the KB article that I have provided in the description. I am changing the view to list view so that we can see all the system files clearly. Right click at any free space and click the paste button. It will show you a pop-up message regarding the Windows administrator permission. Simply click continue. You will get the pop-up again. As we are pasting two files, so click the continue again. It will replace both the old DLL files that are already present in this location. You also have the option to find both the files in this location and rename them as .old. And after renaming them, you can paste the new files. You have both the options, so the choice is yours. In the second step, we have to open Control Panel, especially the Program and Features section. Here, we have to repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable from year 2012 till 2017 or whatever the latest year it's showing you in your machine. Once all are repaired, kindly restart your machine and open Adobe Photoshop Elements or Adobe Lightroom CC, and it should work for you. Last but not the least, if any of the two steps doesn't help you, then uninstall and reinstall the software. Please click the like button if this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more technical and how-to updates. Thank you for watching and have a great day.